Sony is one of the largest companies in the world and one of the world's most admired brands. And there's really three core businesses that Sony is in. Overwhelmingly, the highest volume part of our business is the electronics business. But there's also the software side of the business, the entertainment side of the business, which is movies, music, and games.
The message is Sony United. We operate as one company. We are going to deliver benefits in electronic devices using our strength in content and our understanding of the overall global consumer need to have the strongest platform in the world.
Well, entertainment is a very fast-moving industry, especially right now as we move from analog to digital. There's new relationships popping up all the time. And a lot of those relationships are driven by the type of buzz that it can create or how big a message you can get out. What's the big idea behind this deal? By having a integration technology like webMethods, the competitive advantage that we can get is that we can be there to do that deal quicker. And a lot of these are short-time deals. We do integrations that the life cycle might be only 3 or 4 months long because that partner comes and goes. Every time we create a new movie, a whole new company is formed. It comes together, this whole collaborative process goes on, and then it goes away. And we need all of that to happen over and over again to be able to quickly create these deals and respond to the business environment.
Sony's been in a process of consolidation, making things simpler, making things easier. So we've actually implemented SAP recently across the board, and we are using webMethods to be the default integration for SAP data. And so that's really what we're investing in now to make it so that we can bring forward all the legacy into a next generation architecture and still keep the business running effectively.
SAP was the path that brought webMethods in, but our plans for integration and service-oriented architecture going forward are much bigger than that. Our plans for webMethods are much bigger than that. There's a number of systems that are being implemented: sales order management, vendor-managed inventory. We're doing a large Teradata implementation to get better visibility into our global current status, performance, and all that's being tied together with webMethods technology.
The big idea for Sony is uniting our systems to allow the company to continue to unite on the global scale and to provide less cost across the board for managing transactions and building our platforms. And Sony Electronics has a key part of that. We need to make it so that we understand what our customers own, what they want to buy, how they want the next generation experience to be there. And we've already started building architecture that allows us to join applications and business processes in a completely next-generation service-oriented architecture.
We didn't need just a technology. We needed a company who could really come in and help share with us, how do you start when you have 130 interfaces? We needed a company that had that expertise in our industry and with other customers of similar size. For us, webMethods was that company.